Play Store, Bomal Gidanki. Now take this Google Doodle. Write your number, don't tell it out, just write the number. I'm going to just stand here. After you write your number, just tell me it's done. Okay, and now you have an option down right, there's a word called delete. Just delete the number. Okay, so it's gone, right? Okay, so there's nothing. So now what you want to do is just make some scribblings. Make something drawing. I'm giving you a chance, you can draw something. You can draw your bike. Is this your bike? Which bike? Which bike do you have? Okay. So now think about the first number which you thought in your mind. No, don't just tell it. Okay. Think it in your mind. The first number. Is it the number 3? Okay. Think of the second number. Is it the number 4? And now think of the last two numbers, make it tough. Think of the last two. It's like 3, 4, 3, 6. To give a huge round of applause. Okay. Now what you're going to do is that. So just stand up. Just stand up. Okay. Just be like that. Magic mother. Okay. So now I'm just going to do what? If I touch your hand, okay? So if I touch your left shoulder, just raise your left hand. Okay? Listen. If I touch your right hand, right. Okay? If I touch your leg, just don't kick me, okay? Okay.
भाई మొత్తం ఒకసారి టచ్ చేయక భయ్యా
ఆ టచ్ చేస్తే వేరేగా ఉంటది. Okay, now you got my sense of touch, right? If I just touch, sure. Okay, if I touch your leg also, raise your hand. Okay, you got it. Okay, now close your eyes. If you feel the sense of touch, raise your hand. Okay?
కాదు మా ఇంటిలో ఉన్నాడు భయ్యా.
You know what happened? Ask the.
He didn't touch you.
Sir, I never. So give a huge round of applause for this man.
Hi, I'm Purnima Dhanala and I'm an advocate. I work as a legal advisor for a civil firm. This day it's our club, Dragon Jet Club. It's second anniversary. We all have caught up over here and we are celebrating it with all the riders in the city actually. And there are a lot of people who have joined us in our celebration. We all as riders, we clubbed up for a cause. It's like we just meet each other and we ride because we get some adrenaline rush in ourselves, and you know it's kind of fun to ride with these boys here. For now it's just me with them, but I hope in near future we get too many females who would join us and go for rides and they explore places around, because you know bikes do not they are not biased between genders like most of the humans are around us. So it's just little fun to go chill, ride around with people and just carry on with life. You know, you should have a passion in your life, and for me it's riding a bike and I love it.
Hello everyone, salam namaste adab. Name me MGM Khan. Basically I'm an advocate. I feel very happy, I feel very honored to be here in this second anniversary of the bike club. దీనిలో one of the part అవడం నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే I think we are the last generations who have been the taste of the sound of the engine, and I think the next generation వచ్చినప్పటికీ ఇంత ఇదైతే ఉండదు. So I wish all the persons and I wish everyone to be a part of this event, and the club is one of the topmost in Visakhapatnam. My special thanks to Mana Vizag channel, ఎందుకంటే ఆ లోకల్లో ఉన్న మాలాంటి లోకల్ వ్యక్తులు కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా పెద్ద విషయం. ముఖ్యంగా చూసినట్లయితే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు contest as Visakhapatnam Lok Sabha MP. Please do support me, please do check my profile. If you satisfied, yes, this guy has something, this guy have clear chat, this guy have anything, if we can, then please do support me and please do vote me. Once again I would like to say thanks, and I would like to wish the second anniversary of this club, and I wish more and more Mind Store in this future. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Let's call Purnima.
Hi everyone. This is Tirumalej. There he is. He's a software employee, it seems. Regular job. Okay, he has a bike named Honda Hiace.
Yeah.
And he's been riding for 3 years. Also, he's single.
Ready to mingle?
Are you?
మేము నమ్మో.
Ready to mingle?
Looking for right now.
Bad idea. Also, he's very younger, pretty much younger to me. That's it. And
So Tiru, you have to come.
Currently working at WNS, and his hobbies are photography. That's what I got to know. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So I'm going to introduce Vijayanand sir. I just got the name Vijayanand sir. So I just know that he's a proficient by engineering. So he's into engineering, and after that he's almost from past 8 years he's been riding, and he's from Visakhapatnam only. So that's all I know about Vijay. Okay, thank you.
He is the first person to open a Sony service center in our city in the way back year 1990. And now he's a financial consultant. He has 2 kids. His son is settled abroad in America. His daughter is working for a Spanish firm in Delhi, and his son-in-law is IS officer holding the post Director of Parliament, Indian Parliament. Any speeches has to go through his son-in-law. The MPs who delivered a speech in the Parliament, his speeches first has to be checked and seen by his son-in-law. And Vijayanand sir has done many rides, and his recent ride was to Leh Ladakh. So now you have to announce the name and introduce yourself.
Yeah, Mr. Kiran, Kiran.
Kiran Polipalli.
I think I need not, need to introduce him here. Because of him only we are here. So he's into IT profession, and his passion into fashion photography, and now he's our admin for all riders here. I think hope all South India, whole South India is running a group actually. So I think this is okay. I got guess whom I got.
Adnan.
Purnima. Come, you come. About Purnima, we met in Walter Brew House almost 10 to 11 months back. She's a good rider, first of all, and very talkative. Yeah, and she won't accept anything easily, first of all. She won't accept anything easily which we says. And what else? The profession, being a lawyer now, we can't say much because again she will keep assuming. Okay, over to Purnima.
पवन अन्ना, पवन कुमार मुला.
Hi all, Saket. Hi guys. మా డీజేసీ గ్రూప్లో యంగెస్ట్ రైడర్ సాకేత్, కొంచెం అగ్రెసివ్ అంతే, క్లియర్ కూడాను, సింగిల్ అయితే అసలు కాదు. సో ఐమ్ పర్సూయింగ్ మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్.
Mechanical engineer?
థర్డ్ ఇయర్, ఇన్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్.
Third year, which college?
లెండి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Now you introduce her.
So Gautam, he's owning a business, right? Your job. So he's owning a hardware shop and he's actually participated in all the rides from past 2 years.
Kali Prasad is working in Harsha Motors. He is a salesperson.
యాత్రలో చేస్తున్నారు అండ్ నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడలే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈవెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత సార్తో కొన్ని మాట్లాడాలి. సేల్స్ కదా, అంటే రీసెంట్గా షోరూమ్ విజిట్ కూడా చేశాను ప్లెజర్ వెహికల్ కోసం కట్టండి అనేసి ఒక ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ అని సార్.
This guy name is Manohar. He is a software engineer and he is married. And he drives Domino 400. He is from Rajahmundry.
Srinivas. This is Srinivas. I just met him today. He is from Narsipatnam and he works at Tata Life Insurance. Actually, that's all I could know about him in this time. I'll try to know more about him after this event.
Nikhil.
Good evening everyone. His name is Nikhil. He is from Kerala, Kollam. He already married.
రాహుల్ గారు చెప్పాలంటే మాకు గ్రూప్ ఉంది, శ్రీహర్షదే రైడర్స్ గ్రూప్. హీ యూస్ టు టేక్ టెస్ట్ డ్రైవ్ వెహికల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఎండ్ అండ్ హీ యూస్ టు షేర్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ లైక్ జెన్యూన్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ అండి, దాంట్లో ఏది ఉన్నా సో దట్ వీ కెన్ కరెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఎండ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో షేర్ ద సేమ్ అండ్ ద గ్రూప్ పీపుల్ review all. And he's a very nice, maybe excellent, but he's a nice guy and well ఏంటంటే వెరీ సాఫ్ట్, అంటే చాలా బాగా రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తారు దేనికున్నా. లైక్ కిరణ్ గారు ఐ నో సిమిలర్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు సే అబౌట్ యూ. అండ్ ఐ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ అండి మీకోసం, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ యాక్టివిటీ మేడ్ లైక్ really good that I can see a lot of guys here. I can met a lot of guys here. Like Rahul, I can thank you.
హాయ్ ఆల్, నాకు వచ్చిన నేమ్ ఫనీ. ఈయన వన్ ఆఫ్ ద అడ్మిన్ ఆఫ్ DJC అండ్ హీఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద యాక్టివ్ పర్సన్ అండ్ హీఈస్ ఎ కెప్టెన్. ఇంక ఈయన గురించి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయాల్సింది నాకైతే ఏం లేదు, అన్నీ మీకు తెలిసిందే. హీఈస్ ఎ ఫ్లిట్టర్. గర్ల్స్ తో ఎక్కువ ఫ్లటరింగ్ చేస్తా ఉంటాడు.
దట్టే
హీ రైడ్స్ డామినర్, ఆల్ రౌండర్ అంతే, వాట్ నాట్ ఆల్.
I have got Raghu. Welcome guys. So I have got Raghu. I haven't known much about him. He is brother of Ganesh itself. So I have seen this Ganesh itself only one ride where we have been to Dharmata, not beyond that. Okay. So he recently came to Vizag. We've been working earlier in Dubai. There he's been doing like fabrication, and now he's into pharma. Now he's into pharmaceuticals, working in RS Labs, hoping to see him for future rights.
Okay, fine. We have a birthday boy. Let us wish Ajay a very happy birthday. Ajay runs an NGO called Souls of Humanity.
Thank you so much.
మా వాడికి పెద్ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు ఇందులో, సో నేను రీసెంట్గా కోర్స్ చేసి రారని అని చెప్పేసి తీసుకొచ్చా. అట్లేదేం లేదు, అంటే పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది, ఎటువంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదనమాట. సో నాకు వచ్చిన పేరు అయితే వినోద్.
Thank you, Ganesh.
I got name Nitin.
Nitin, Aja bhai, pahadi londa.
He's from Uttarakhand and he's a good rider. He covered entire terrain, as I know, and he's looking for Western Ghats. Like, what is it? Yeah, you completed Western Ghats and you're looking for that Shillong, and yeah, this belt is going to complete Shillong and
Evening folks, and I got a name of Kalyan. He's always tag along with the riders and never get an opportunity to ride. So I guess that's pretty much about him.
So I have had a little talk with him. So far I've known that he is working in the architectural field in Astral company, and he rides and expels. He visits places where there are waterfalls. So I was told that he's a waterfall guy, and yeah, that's all I know about him.
If you follow Mirchi 98.3 Thursday, RJ Prem Mayagadu, tourist attraction every Thursday, a new waterfall, new destination, new place is being given only by Satish. A big round of applause. What Satish has, the knowledge of waterfalls is amazing. He can guide you to the very remote access of waterfall, how to go for it. So please do listen to every Thursday tourist attraction of 98.3 Mirchi.
Hello everyone. I got a name of Aditya. Mr. Aditya. Yeah, Aditya, మనం DJCలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ అడ్మిన్ అండ్ యాక్టివ్ మెంబర్. సో తను వైజాగే, హిమాలయన్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ బైక్ ఉంది. మన గ్రూప్లో హిమాలయన్ చూస్తే ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ద యాక్సెసరీస్ ఉండి అసలు దేనికి వాడతారో తెలియని బైక్ ఉండేదంటే ఆదిత్యకే. తను అమెజాన్లో వర్క్ చేస్తాడు అండ్ రిస్క్ అనాలిసిస్ ఉందా వద్దులే బ్రో, జస్ట్ 18K. దట్స్ ఆల్. చాలా మంచి ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫర్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ హూ వండరింగ్ హూస్ నేమ్ ఐ గాట్, this is the gentleman here. He is one of the guy who needs no introduction, but a small thing about him, he's an entrepreneur, an advisor, a career coach, and everything you can think of. From whatever you can think of, he does everything. An expert in all things, but yeah. So starting with his life, he has done his BBA in Andhra University, and after that he's taken over the business of YS Enterprises, dealing in all hardware solutions for industrial applications. And after that he's also an advisor for JCI India and our JCI Vizag committees all across Vizag as well. So yeah, that's it all about him.
He's admin of a course.
All the best.
That is very important.
Now we'll take your class. Thank you, Aditya, for the wonderful introduction. But I have to select now because I have not picked the chit. Okay. So I'll introduce from my side two gentlemen. Okay. I'll introduce one Jeevan Manovaizai. He will get Ravali. Jeevan is a really close friend of mine, and unfortunately he is a very close friend of mine, and unfortunately we are bearing each other from last one decade, and we are connected through JCI, and we both have done presidentship, many things. Jeevan has also his own business of FNCG project. Jeevan Anna and myself, we run a page called Manovaizag, and Manovaizag, please follow us on Instagram and YouTube, subscribe, and for YouTube, we are thankful to you. We are reaching 50K. No. Why don't you prefer daytime?
Daytime the traffic is irritating.
So daytime heavy traffic.
Daytime heavy traffic, nighttime the road is free. We don't fear for police, speed limit and రోడ్డు మీదే నువ్వు నాతో బెంగళూరు వరకు వచ్చావు చూసావుగా.
Srivastav is a very, polished guy. Srivastav is a photographer by profession and by passion. Even he is into films. He does cinematography, editing of the movies and all. And Vastav is also a solo rider. Vastav achievements you might have read in many newspapers. Okay, Vastav has done one recent Northeast Ride, which was covered in all the leading newspapers. And if anybody missed Vastav photography exhibition, please do attend Vastav exhibitions also.